How to download Car Mechanic Simulator on your PC. So if you want to download Car Mechanic Simulator on your PC, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your browser and search for Car Mechanic Simulator 2021 or 2028. So I'll just simply choose the 2021, and you need to scroll down, and here you will have Steam Store. You can scroll down and you will have the PlayStation, Xbox, Google Play. You can simply choose any option. So I'll just simply choose Steam. Once you've selected, you can scroll down, and here you will have the game. So you just need to simply click on download option if you want to download the demo version. But if you want to really play the game without the demo, then you just need to simply go with add to cart and click on view my cart and select your game. And after that, go with continue to payment and sign in to your Steam account. And once you've signed in, make sure that you have payment like amount on your payment method. And after that, you can pay for the game. Once you pay for the game, then you will have the download option right here. So that's how you can download and install Car Mechanic Simulator 2021. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.